found a box of memories beneath my bed so tight, filled with all the words we spoke that never felt quite right. Folded pieces of our time so fragile in my hand. I hold them close but understand the grains of slipping sand. Ticket stubs and ribbons whisper stories soft and low, fading ink on letters from so many years ago. The air still hums a melody we danced to in the night, a silent prayer I whisper as I turn out every light. We were paper airplanes dancing in the sky so blue, a perfect little moment, just me and only you. We rode the way so careless till the storm came rolling through. Now scattered on the pavement lies the love I thought I knew. You taught me how to fold them with the corners sharp and clean, to catch the golden sunlight in the early morning gleam. You said it's all in how you throw with heart and perfect aim, a lesson that took heartbreak for me to truly claim. Now I understand the flight, the letting go so free. How trusting in the universe was never meant for me. We soared so high together till the winds began to stray, leaving just these paper ghosts to haunt me every day. We were paper airplanes dancing in a sky so blue, a perfect little moment, just me and only you. We rode the wind so careless till the storm came rolling through. Now scattered on the pavement lies the love I thought I knew. We were paper airplanes dancing in a sky so blue, a perfect little moment, just me and only you. We all the ones so careless till the storm came rolling through. Now scared